In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan documents on your iPhone. This is the document we're going to scan right here. It's 3 pages. It's my Stop the Scammers PDF, which you can get for free, by the way. I'll tell you how later. But this is basically step-by-step how to set up your phone to be as safe as possible. But to scan these documents, all you have to do is open the Files app. So I'm going to search for Files. Mine's right there, actually. Just type in Files and you'll find it. And you open that up. Then you want to go to On My Phone. I have a folder here called Scans. You probably won't have that folder yet, but you can create one if you want. Just tap on these 3 dots. Tap on New Folder. Name it whatever you like. I've got a scan right here already. And then once you have the location where you want the scans to be, tap on these 3 dots again, and then tap on Scan Documents. Now this document here is a full page, 8.5 by 11, which I can't get entirely on the video screen as we're recording this. But the process is the same. You want to put the document down somewhere flat, hold your phone up high enough so it can scan the whole document. Sorry, I'm off the screen here, but it basically makes the scan once it has the document within view, and we see it right there. There's some shadows here. That's from me. That's not the document itself. And this is page 1 of the scan. What we can do is then scan the second page. See if I can get this a little bit on the screen. A little bit. But there's the second page now done. Right there. And it shows a little 2 right there. Let's do the third page. Okay, there's page 3. Has a little 3 there now. And we see, oh, it scanned another one. Just because it scans, when you hold it over something, it just scans all the time for more documents to scan. So now I have 5, even though there's only 4 pages. Got to move this out of the way. It's going to start scanning again. So it has the number 5 here, even though we only have 4 pages. And if I open this, I can look through all the pages. And they all look pretty good, except for this one. I can just tap delete to get rid of that. If you find some of them aren't adjusted right, or you want to crop it, or something, you have these tools down here to adjust. You have filters, you can retake. There's a retake button up here as well. So you can just retake that specific scan. So if you wanted to do number 3 out of 4, it stays within that order. So if I go get page number 3 again, tap on retake, retake page 3, there's the new page 3 right in the spot where page 3 goes. So that's pretty neat. And what's also nice is when you do the scan, like when I lift this phone up, I have a lot of things in the frame that aren't just this piece of paper. But the phone knows you're scanning a document, so it just only scans the paper, not everything else. So it intelligently detects the document and just takes a picture of that. And then when you're all done and you're happy with what you have, you can just tap on the back arrow here, tap on that check mark in the top right, and now we have a new scanned document, which I can rename. I'm going to name it Stop Scammers Free, and there we have it. It's a PDF that you can share. You see right there, it says PDF document. You can share it with whoever you want using the share button, and that's pretty cool. And as I mentioned, you can get this document for free. All you have to do is scan this QR code on the screen right now, if you're on a TV, or click the link in the description down below. That'll take you to a website. You just enter your email so I can send this to you. Then you can download it, print it off, have it with you, just like I have mine right here. And you can make sure that you are scam proof. So the next most important thing you can do is download that document and make sure you're scam proof. And if you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. And then I'll see you on this one.